Hi and welcome to the Lunch Break Gardener. So this is one of my courgette plants, and as you can see the leaves, they're looking a milky white colour, and that is powdery mildew. So powdery mildew is like a fungus which spreads on the leaves of plants and stops them from photosynthesizing, which is the process a plant goes through when it produces lots of sugars to enable it to grow and to produce fruit. So I live in quite a humid environment. I live by the sea, but recently we've had a really dry spell. But powdery mildew, which will start off as small white spots on the leaves of plants, it doesn't actually need water to live. In fact, dry conditions are ideal for it, and water can actually inhibit its spread. So dry conditions, dry windy conditions are how it spreads, and when it finds another plant or leaf to settle on, it doesn't need water to be able to start germinating. And I'll just show you here, cutting a leaf, how those spores can go up into the air. So this is my courgette. Courgettes don't grow tendrils, they don't climb, and ordinarily they will just spiral or snake around the garden as they are, with their leaves in close proximity. I'm actually growing this courgette in a container tub, and what I thought to do was support it to make it upright with canes. So this enabled me to divide the leaves of the plants into 4 sections and allow a lot more aeration around the plant to stop the spread quite so quickly of powdery mildew. And as you can see, the leaves aren't quite so bad, and we've got younger leaves which are coming up slightly separated from the lower leaves which are covered in powdery mildew. And I've been able to grow some quite big courgettes on this plant. So this courgette weighs 525 grams, so it's, for me, it's quite big, it's massive. And I was really pleased with that. And I've done this with my other 2 courgettes, and they are also doing really well. Another thing you can do for powdery mildew is spray them with a mixture of milk and water, and this makes the water a little bit more visceral to prevent, again, just that aeration of the fungus flooding your garden. Okay, I hope my research has helped you in some way, and I look forward to seeing you again on the Lunch Break Gardener.